Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a device in the Lorex application in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to download and install the Lorex application on your phone. Then you just have to simply launch the application and then sign up or sign in into your account. Now, when you are here, you are going to see this devices section. So you will see this type of plus icon over here. When you tap on the option of plus icon, you will be shown a bunch of different devices that you can add inside the application, like the Wi-Fi camera, the doorbell, the floodlight, the recorder, and much more. So in order to add the device, you just have to first of all take a look at that particular device which you want to basically pair with the application. You need to basically power that on, and once the device is powered on, you need to come here on the add devices option. So among the given devices, you just have to simply select that particular device which you want to add. Afterwards, this type of scan option will be opened in front of you. So you need to simply use the QR code and you need to scan it. So you can also manually enter the device ID. So select the option, and here you need to enter the device ID. Afterwards, simply press next in the bottom. Now on the next page, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions, like you need to choose your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Afterwards, you just have to wait for the device to finish the pairing, which is going to take around 1 to 2 minutes. So when it does, you will be able to see that particular device on the home page, and that's how you will be able to basically add the device in the Lorex application in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.